All right, Gator, let's get this done. You got it, boss. Here comes the red. Whoa, easy now. Almost done. Looking good.
All right, today we're going to put some color on the Chevelle. Pretty excited. I'm going to be using acrylics. That is lacquer primer that's on there by Tamiya. I'm going to be using this here, which is Italian Racing Red by Kaleido. I'll tell you, I just did some brushing using these Kaleido paints. Boy, do they go on nice and cover. I found a new friend. Let's see here, it's 88 degrees here today in Southwest Florida. Humidity is not high. It's not summertime yet, but it's not too bad in here. So let me see here. I won't be clearing it or putting varnish on it today because I will be, there's some white stripes that are going to have to go on it. If I don't like the way it's turning out, I may add a little bit of retarder to it. Today, I think I'll be using this Gaahleri swallowtail. I use the cap on mine, some people don't. I'm going to turn the fan on. Alright, first I'm going to have to use the brush. So how I prepare a body is way different than the way other people prepare bodies. A lot of other people will sit there and they will, I don't like the way it sits on here. A lot of people will take the time and they'll wet sand it with 400, 600, then 800. Things like that up, you know. All I do is, when I prep a body, I originally sand it with 1500. Then I primer it. Then I sand the primer dry with 2500. And then I wash the body down with water, dry it off, and then I just brush it like you just saw. And so far, I mean, I've been painting from 70, going to be 73, and I've been painting real cars since I was 16. So I know what I can get away with and what I can't get away with. All right. Light coat first. To me, it dries like lacquer. Really amazing. That's it for a minute. Bring over the cow hood. Not doing the underside because the underside will be black. Set that aside. Wasn't sure what color to put on here. I do have an MCW Torch Red, which is what I had painted my Cutlass with back in the day. Code 74 from a Corvette. My favorite red, but I think this will be nice. I have a Cutlass I'm going to make, I just haven't done it yet. I'm going to paint that with the Torch Red. We'll have white stripes front and rear. I have the trailer. If I have enough of this Italian racing red, I will do the trailer the same color. This is for the drag and drive build. Number 2. I think I'm only going to put one more coat of color on it. I think 3 coats will be fine. This coat, I'm just going to put a drop of retarder in it. Just to slow down the drying time. I think the color's perfect, what I want. Right, I think it's ready. As you can see already, with a little bit of retarder in there, it goes on a lot smoother. Almost looks like it has clear on it. Nice heavy coat, dirt coat. Just about done. I am going to move this out of here to get it out of the breeze coming through. Keep it a little less dirty. Now to put the final coats on the hood. And that'll do it. There's the hood done. Turn the fan off. And basically all I'm going to do now is clean the brush out and leave that dry. Alright, first time using my dehydrator. I'm not sure we got the settings. I had set it for temperature wise 104 for 1 hour. And we'll see. I guess I should have asked out in the community what they're setting them at. But I'm going to give it a try. Hopefully I don't melt the body. So, okay, so that's part of this painting process. And that's it.
See you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.